Okay, we've got a pie chart and we need to answer some questions. Let's have a look. There's the pie chart. And I think on the top here they're going to give us some information. Let's read. Grade 4 learners were asked which brand of soft drink they prefer. In total, 20 learners answered, and the owner of the tuck shop drew this pie chart. Let's have a look at our pie chart. There's the pie chart, and I can see that it's divided into equal slices of pie. And each slice is for a different cold drink. The first one is the blue one for Coke. There's the blue one for Coke. We've got an orange one for Fanta. There's a grey slice for cream soda. And a yellow slice for Pepsi. So our pie chart is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Let's see what they want from the first question. Number 1. What fraction of learners preferred Fanta? And the very important word here is fraction. Now remember, with a fraction we've got one number on top of another number. That's one number out of another. The bottom number tells us how many pieces the whole is divided into. And the top number tells us how many pieces we have. So let's have a look. For our pie chart, it is divided into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So the 4 is going to be our bottom number. It's out of 4. How many of those pieces belong to Fanta? Fanta is the orange piece. Maybe because Fanta is orange. There we go. And we've only got 1 piece. And there's the answer for our first question. 1/4 of learners preferred Fanta. Now for question number 2, how many learners like Pepsi? And again, there's a trick there. How many? How many is different to the fraction. They want to know how many learners. Do we know how many learners there are in this pie? Yes, we do. They told us in total 20 learners answered. So there's 20 learners in the whole pie. But we don't have the whole pie. We've only got a certain slice of the pie, a certain amount of slices. So let's have a look. How many slices of the pie belongs to the Pepsi? Pepsi is the yellow one. So there we go. Again, our pie is divided into 4 pieces, so that's going to be the bottom. We've only got 1 piece that belongs to Pepsi, so that's 1/4. In total, there were 20 learners for the whole pie. But we have to divide the pie into 4 pieces, and we're going to do the same with the learners. 20 divided by 4. Let's count in 4s up to 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That leaves me with 5. So each piece of the pie has 5 learners in it. How many pieces of the pie do we have? We've got 1 piece of the pie. So we have to times that by 1. 5 times 1, 5 fingers, 1 finger counting in 5s is 5. And that's our final answer. So now we know that 5 learners preferred Pepsi.